Now, I pulled this video for Michael to see. Ross Simpson, one of our morning anchors, sent this video to us. This is his son-in-law plowing through the snow in his house in Clearbrook, Virginia. Now, I know, Michael, you're out in Loudoun County. Did you see any similar snow to this morning on your commute?
I think we saw about 3.5 inches, and I believe when this was taken, I think he had about 4 inches in Clearbrook. So I'm pretty sure that they haven't gotten really too much more than that.
I know that this is a little bit less than people were forecasting, or is it kind of right on the mark?
Pretty much right on the mark. What we were looking at was about 3 to 6 for today, and then maybe the additional 1 to 3 for tomorrow, so more of a combined. So it's on the low side of what we were predicting, but I think everyone wanted a little bit more because it has been a while since we've seen some snow. But a good 4, 5, 6 inches, that's a great storm. It doesn't make us stay in our houses for a long time. But anyway, we'll take out a couple look at some other snow amounts around the region. If we look over, grab a few from Virginia, one being in Culpeper, 6.2 inches, not too bad. Leesburg, 3.6. If you head out to West Virginia, they had over 7 inches near Falling Waters. And then Hagerstown, 4.8. I've watched that go from 3 inches to 4.8 over the last several hours being here. Waldorf, only a 2. Bethesda, 2.3. So if we head out to, this is Sue Miller in Fort Ashby, West Virginia. That was also 7 inches out there. And what is snow if you don't have a couple of English bulldogs running around and enjoying themselves? So it's always nice when the dogs get out there. I know mine gets pretty excited. Looking at the winds, they are picking up. Leesburg, 8 miles an hour, Chantilly 9. It's getting pretty heavy out in Oakland at 25 miles an hour. So we will see that pick up a little bit tonight as well as tomorrow. And then just looking at the radar, you can see a lot of this precipitation is really pulling to the north. We have some mix near the DC metro area. And as it continues over the next few hours, you're going to see there's nothing following it from behind. So we're actually going to get into a little bit of a lull before it starts to fill back in and that low pressure transfer some energy back over. So this is what we're looking at right here. Over the next few hours, this is the area I'm talking about. You can see it raises all the snow just into southern PA as that transfer of energy happens with this low pressure. And then by tomorrow morning, we see a lot of the mixing out towards Frederick, definitely into Northern Virginia, DC area. And you can see all the snow on the back end. And as the low tries to go up coast into New Jersey, you can see a lot of the snow making its way back into our region late in the morning as well as throughout the afternoon. And some of those bands could be heavy at time. That's why we're looking at some heavier snows in the north part of Maryland as well as central and into Pennsylvania. That's still over Monday night into Tuesday morning, which is why they still do have a winter storm warning in effect. And then Tuesday, we just have some cloudy conditions, maybe some lingering snow showers here or there. But for the most part, once these systems move out, it clears up pretty well as far as having any snow. So for tonight, we're looking at 28 degrees. We're going to have some freezing rain, typically between 3 to 6 a.m. in the morning, mixing with some snow. Those winds, as I mentioned, are going to be now from the northeast at 7 to 9 miles per hour. Tomorrow's temperatures over in Silver Spring, 35, as well as Bethesda, 34 in Rockville. Frederick, Linganore 33, Walkersville, Thurmont also 33 degrees. So it's going to be a hair over freezing. And then even Northern Virginia, we're looking at just slightly over the freezing mark all the way around, and even 37 down into Quantico. For your 7-day forecast, we've got that snow coming back into the area tomorrow, some light accumulation. It'll move out on Tuesday, so we're still going to have those AM flurries, stay cloudy most of the day, but we start to clear out on Wednesday with some of those gusty and heavy winds. But look at the rest of the week. We actually have some temperatures increasing into the upper 40s, and our next system, fortunately, is going to be some showers. So we're going to get some rain on the way, definitely likely on Saturday, and then some cloudy weather on Sunday. And that's a look at your 7-day forecast.